What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, GundamFan, and today is another update on the Wing Zero car to go into the playlist. Today I've done a bit of priming on the darker blues. This is all of them, I believe. So there you go, done. You're updated. It's becoming very, very slow. All the inner armour has been done with this brown grey. I've opted for this choice because it's going to be a bit of a contrast to the white grey and the gold grey that I'm going to be painting this kit in. I'm showing you the layouts. I might even go with the lacquer yet. I'm undecided. Now the primers that I have used are the Mecha grey primer and the surface primer grey again, with a little bit of airbrush flow improver to stop it from drying, and a touch of thinners. I just put a couple of drops in this and it goes in quite nice. Can't remember what PSI, but roughly about 20. So I've done all that. These are all primed and been given a base coat. These are ready for some detailing and some dry brushing and some bits and bobs put on there, and some panel lining and so on in all the nooks and crannies, maybe even a wash, and then they'll be done. That goes in that leg, question mark. There. Anyway, getting back to it. Yeah, so I've done these today. I'm going to do the light blues today. I'm going to do the reds and the yellows. I'm going to get them all primed and ready. The wings I'm going to do last because they're a bit bigger. I might even go rattle cans for them because of the wide surface areas. I don't have a 0.5. I've still got to wash these. I don't have a 0.5 brush, so I might go aerosol. I might get some Tamiya rattle cans once I've done what I want to do with it. I'm thinking priming it grey, and then in some of the areas put some masking fluid. I've got some masking fluid here, and then go over with the top coat, and then I can peel that off and it will reveal what's underneath, or I could just tape it off. I'm undecided yet. That's pretty much what I want to do. So it shows you some of the undercolour underneath some of the details in the wings. So yeah, that's about it in terms of any Wingverse car progress. It's been really slow. I've been doing a lot of work, so I do apologise. I am trying to do my best. Outriders has come out, so I'm all over Outriders, the video game on PC. And other bits and pieces, getting my Twitter back up and running. If you haven't already, GundamFan 2.0 is just look me up. I'm on there. I might put the link in the description below. Instagrams, it's all happening. I update pictures and nonsense as I go. These have turned out all right. I have I've done some scribing on some of the pieces. So I'm hoping that it'll all turn out okay. The backpack was really boring, so I sort of jazzed it up again. I can do some part separation or colour separation now, and in the skirts and so on. So we'll get there, we'll get it done. But yeah, it's only a quick little tidbit on progress. I can't really flesh it out too much because I haven't done much. I've showed you what products I've used. Yeah, that's it. There's not much to say. Until I get all the others primed and I start putting some colours down, I can really take it up a notch. So basically this video is saying the priming is underway, it's getting done, and the next video I'm hoping will show some colours, and I can then show you the colour separation and the palette that I'm deciding on. Anyway, it's a really short video. It's a little update. But I hope you've been well. If you got this far, give me a like. Consider subscribing. And like always, I will see you in the next one. Cheers.